Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A16, and I'll show you how to turn on Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Google application. Now just tap here on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Now just click here to the voice and tap to the voice match. And just to activate the Hey Google, tap here once on the switcher. After that, say Hey Google, click to the next, read the description here and click to yes, I agree, click to continue. And now just you can start saving your audio, or also you can click here to not now. And by this way, as can you see, we just activate our Hey Google Assistant on Oppo A16. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.